Yes, now we can discuss about one small business opportunity. It is a service opportunity also, that is woodworker. Similarly, if you have a passion for creating beautiful furniture or other home goods out of wood, that could be a small business niche for you. Get started by listening a few of your pieces on sites like Etsy. Once you build a following, consider starting a website, accepting custom orders, or expanding to refinishing work and upholstery. This is the information regarding woodworking. Woodworking is also a good opportunity to work and to settle very well and to get good income also. Suppose if you are having any Facebook web page is there, Facebook page is there for you regarding your woodworks and your skills and all these details. If you post in that, that will also give very good opportunity to you. And as well as in Google Business also, you have to register your woodwork unit details, what services you will do, and which type of furniture you are doing at present. And all these things, if you put in that in simple lines and in simple images, you will get very good opportunities also. And as well as suppose if you have a good website, that is also a good advantage to you. They will contact you through, but in a website also you should have a correct contact number, and Gmail is there means not only Gmail, once a contact number is there, that is a good way to contact and communication. So that is you should maintain. And Gmail is there means it is easy. It is easy to you to communicate, and as well as only first instantly any person is required any furniture, first they will contact you directly, and then they will communicate with you. So likewise you can do it. So woodworking is also a very talented and professional work. It is also a professional work, so you will get very good income. But nowadays, so many new buildings and constructions are coming. For that also, for doors, so standard doors and standard windows, and almirahs, and cabinets, and all these suitcases, dress cases, and all these things also you can do very well. And so many furniture details are required nowadays. So you can do all these things very well, and you will get very good income also. So generally anywhere for service charges 30% of the cost they will take it. So likewise you will also get genuinely without any objection. So you should expose clearly, and you should say the things clearly. How much is the working cost? How much is your service charges? If you say everything clearly, it is clear to customer and you also. So likewise, woodworking is also a good business and good service, and you can settle very well in your life also. Likewise, you can settle very well. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.